for some of us that were not available for the previous class. Okay. Hello? I don't know what's wrong. Is it my end? I'm trying to share my screen. I don't know. Okay, so I got a lot of I got how many of us, I'm very sure that not everybody did the assignment that we did. But for your how will I put it? For your advantage, it's advisable to do what we did and then just try to work on them. This is very important. I'm looking for my designs, please. 1 minute. I don't want this. Yeah. So if you know you do your assignment, just drop an emoji. Let me see how many people did the assignment. Just drop I. I know that okay, you did the assignment. Where is my why is this like this? Please, let's keep admitting people. People are there waiting. Okay, let me quickly. So let me share my screen once and for all now so we can see what we have here. Okay, good. I can see people saying they did theirs. So sorry. Entire screen share. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay, so for some of us that did the assignment, kudos to you guys. Let me say this to be sincere. I was really happy, and then I was really, it was something that I wasn't expecting because we were not in class last week. Yeah, well, I'm very proud of you guys, right? So moving forward, I just want to explain this what we did, and then let me go to the main website so that for people that were not in class the last time. So I'll just brief us up again. Yeah.
Written in Elvish script.
Please let's meet our mic. We're not doing anything. Okay, so this is what we did last week. We tried to work on this website. It's a functionable website, right? So it's a lot. It's a lot of for some of you that could not do, and you saw some of your me that have done. This is what we did. So we were able to do a page, and we were able to integrate, do several pages. For instance, enterprise that has 2 sections here, which is payment solution and growth solution, and which each of these solution has their children. Let me use children for now. Like when you click on this, you get to this. So the same thing here goes to this place. Well, so for us to be able to make our design be useful, meaningful, you understand? For some of us that have done that, we did UX here last week, which is prototype, right? So let me quickly see, maybe I'm good, maybe I can see the prototype here so that I'll play it for us. So I'll play the prototype, and then I want us to, after playing the prototype, I will now show us how to get this. So for some of you that have done your assignment completely, so this is what I want to see. You understand? So I'll play the prototype now. I will move from one page to another. Who was in my system this evening now? What's this? 1 minute, please. To the internet. Okay, let me refresh. Sorry, guys. This is what we did.
Let's wait for him to come back.
So please, guys, where can you guys see? Hello, can I share my screen? Hello?
No, sir.
I'm seeing a picture of you.
Can you guys see my screen?
No.
They say host disabled participant sharing screen. Host, who have access to host here should kindly enable the sharing of screen, please. Homeboy, please help us so that I can share. Yeah, make me host so that I can just. Okay, let me now see now. Okay, I can share my screen now. Okay, thank you. Okay, so this is what I was saying, right? So if you click on enterprise, please let's listen. So if you click on enterprise, you click on enterprise page. If you click on SMEs too. So our last 2 week assignment was to draw the pages, right? And then I showed us last week how to, make this functionality here. How you can make the when you click on home, take it to somewhere else, the right place. So that is what we are doing today. So I'm going to show you how to do your prototype, which is called the US. That is, it will show the transitioning of one page to another. So this was what we designed last week. As you can see, it's a dummy page, and this serves as the home page here. As you can see, serves as home page here, right? So, but our main focus now is the functionality. So when I click on, you can see the mouse now change. It is pointing to my hand. Same thing here. You can see it's pointing to my hand. It's pointing to one, pointing to one, pointing to one, pointing to one. You get. So now when I click on enterprise, see you can see it brought the enterprise option out, right? Do you see now? So the same thing comes here. You get. So when I click on growth solution, it give me option for that. When I click on payment here, it give me, so the same thing. can go back. Go back. Do you understand? That is what I don't think I did this. We no design for SME last week. But for some of you that have done SME, you've done enterprise, you've done personal. So now let's quickly go to our design. So let me now show you how to do that. So that let's now, the first thing now we did was the design. If you notice where your functionality is design, right? It's on the design section. Let's minimize a bit. Okay. So design section. Now this is design. So now let's go to prototype where you do your UX. You understand? So now if you look at this, I want to show you very well. So the first one is the home page. Second one is the enterprise, right? Then the last one is the enterprise grow your business, which is this, the enterprise. This is the home page of the enterprise here now. When you have payment solution, you see here, payment enterprise grow your business, the payment solution here. Then we have the enterprise exactly. So now if you look at my home page now, this is my home. So if I click on this enterprise here, like this, if I click on this here, this enterprise, where do I want it to take me to? So I'm going to draw my arrow down here. You can see this arrow here is drew from here. I'm coming 1 minute. From this section to where my enterprise is. Where is my enterprise? If you can see, look at the label here. Home to enterprise. So when I click on this, it's taking me to enterprise. Do you understand? So that's that. That's how we get this section. Because you note that the design, you will have done the design out. You will have sketched your design out first. That's the first thing. That was why I said we should stick on our designs. Because if our design is correct, when we are doing our prototype, it's very easy. And when you label it, so for instance, let me delete this again. Let me delete this. Let me delete. So I've deleted it now. So let me now redraw it again. So for instance, if I want to, so that for those of us that are will see what's 45 or 47. 30, let me use 30 first. A minute. I'm trying to. Okay, good. So your enterprise. That's enterprise. So enterprise, take
Sorry, I'm not seeing anything. No.
To this,
Sir, network,
where
network
I
is
have
breaking now.
created the link and navigate to
Sir, I cannot hear you. Neither can I see anything.
currently.
Sir, your skin is froze.
Please, you should be able to see. Please, my screen out of now. Is it okay now?
Yes, yeah, we can see it now.
Okay, because I'm actually doing well. Yeah, I don't know. My screen is not hanging. So what this mean? Okay, let me go back again. Let me delete this again. Let me delete. So now I believe you understand how we went from home to enterprise. So now from enterprise now, to where we have.
Sir, sorry. You were hanging. I did not understand it. I did not see anything either.
Okay, so this is what we are trying to do, right? So we are trying to, make this functionality works with our design, our previous design that we did the last 2 weeks, right? So the same thing we did last week, and I was able to explain here today. So the first thing is you have to complete your design. So if you're not done with your design, make sure you have your design ready. Do your designs on page by page. So now I want us to be able to merge your designs together. So that what we design can be on a like a presumed active website. That's what we are doing again. So, and then the first thing we did is after laying out your design, you move from design to prototype. You can see where my mouse is. So for instance, so this is my home page, this is my enterprise, and this is my what's it called? This is the main enterprise where it has options and so on and so forth. Just like what we have here. But we have like enterprise, we have payment solution, we have grow your business, right? So similar thing here, where we have enterprise, pay your solution, grow your business. The same thing that we have here, same thing that goes there, right? So now the first thing is I have to take it to a prototype. That's the first thing you need to do. So what do you want to click and where do you want to take it to? So I want to click on enterprise here, and I want you to take me to enterprise page. So this is my enterprise page here. So when I click on this, when I click on what's it called, enterprise here, so I can adjust my arrow down to where enterprise is. You understand? So I'm taking it again. I've deleted it. Let me take it again from here to where you come down to this where my enterprise is. Do you understand? So sorry, this is my enterprise, right? So you can move it anywhere. You get. So it has joined to this. Sorry, 1 minute again. So it has connected from this enterprise to this main page here. That is why when we click on this, it shows this page. Do you understand? So when I now click on this, it will show us the section of this again. So now after clicking on this enterprise, I want you to take me to this section. Then you now click on this. So now the question is now asking you like, navigate to, look at this section box here, navigate to, it's giving you option. Is it to enterprise? Is it to company? Is it to develop? That means you must have developed. That was what I was asking you. You have to do those pages. Now, it's taking you to like, see all these pages, enterprise, SME, personal resource, developer, company. So you just come here. Sorry. Just come here to navigate to, you see, is it the enterprise? Is it enterprise? Enterprise grow your business. This one should be enterprise business owner rather. It should be coming. This should be pay your space solution. Yeah. So it's asking us enterprise. This should be pay to your solution. Enterprise, because it's under enterprise, grow your business, login, blah, blah, blah. So I want you to be under this. Do you understand? So it has taken the arrow down. So I want you to change it back to the next one to main enterprise. That's taking it down here. So it's asking us, do you want instance? Do you want dissolve? Dissolve means that, when someone has to come in and shadow. You understand? Let's try that. Let's put it on, let's restart again from beginning. Let's see the effect one by one. All right. So let's see the effect of, so I'm just showing us, but normally, if you are creating a design, make it, interact, maybe fun. Because if you are using most of all this functionality, it's mostly applicable to mobile, not on desktop. Right. So let us be careful about the effect that we're doing. So let's go back. So now let's go back. Oh no. Okay, let's still wait. So I believe you understand that part. So when it's finish loading, so we'll come back. So the next thing is asking us that, if you choose dissolve, it's going to come in dissolved. Let's check maybe it has load, still loading. But for now, I would advise you to start with, instant. You understand? Smart animation. This one can be, motion. This is moving, move out, push, slide in, slide out. These are just effects. Let's just see how it works here. You can see the effect now. You can see the effect of dissolve. That's the effect of dissolve. Just watch now. Kindly watch the effect of dissolve. You can see that dissolve, right? If you want any other effect again, just click on it. I just pick any of these, but we don't have time for that. Do you understand? So that's how it works. So the next thing here, when I click on this, so when people are here, when people are pay on this solution, so I want it to come to this part. So when people click here, it's come up with when people click on this, I want it to come to this section. Do you understand? So the next thing you just do, you just click on this your payment here and click on where you want it to come. Do you understand? Do you get? So it's asking you, is it on scroll? When people scroll, is it on scroll? Is it on notification or is it on open in other link? Messi, please mute your mic. Is it on scroll? Is it on other link? What that scroll means that if this one is lengthy, you can scroll down. You can in this section you can scroll, right? But from the original design, there's no scroll option here. Do you understand? So you just can change it if you want to change it. That's all. So that's the first thing. That's the next thing for this section. When you click on this, you understand. So it keep changing. Then the next thing here is to the second one. So you do for the first one, then you do for the second one too. You now do for what's it called? For grow your business and take it to where you want them to see it again. The same thing happens to this again. So when I click on this other one here, let me refresh. You see that it takes us to this page here. Do you understand? But before you can do this effect, you must have been through with your designs. You get. So let's go. You can see. 1 minute. Let me see. Okay. Double effect. There's double effect here though. Come in 1 minute. This should take us up. You understand? So this page here is for enterprise here, grow your business, which this has taken us to from here. Let me delete it again so that we can see. Which is Ctrl Z. So now this is it here now. It's just the same thing I explained before. Take it up to this grow your business. Navigate is asking you where do you want it to go to. You can choose, but this is where you want to grow your business. Do you get it? The next thing here is the next one here is the one that is going to be down. Sorry, delete. So take this one here. So whenever you over on your design, you see the section. She's asking us, where do you want to take it to? Do you want dissolve or do you not want dissolve? So that's how it is. When you come here again, you can see it has taken you to the page. Do you understand? So you can go back again. Go back again. Then when you click on it's undissolved already. It's undissolved. Do you get? So that is how it is. Just imagine. Let's go back to the class properly now, so that we get to understand. So the first thing, just imagine you have your pages here. Imagine we have, okay, from home. When I click on what's it called? Let me check this. Let me increase this so that for some of us that are done designing our main design. Okay, so just imagine I've done SME. So let me do for SME now. This SME now. I click on SME. It takes me to SME. So it's asking me, your navigation is at SME. Okay. Let me do the next one. Let me increase so that we can see very well. So which one is this again? Oh, personal. Personal is okay. Let's take it to personal. So I'm on that personal again. So do we get, so we can keep them. So when we are done, I'm going to show us what we've been doing. Okay, personal, then the resources. So let's do resources now. Let's take it to resource. So this resource, right? So everything is on the resource. So let's go back to our design. Let's go back to our own design. Let's take it one by one. So this 1 minute. Let's take it one by one. But I want to show us what we'll be able to do now. Knowing fully well that we've not done designing the other parts, but we were able to, do the what's it called? We were able to do the UX, right? Sorry. One minute, please. Yeah. So this is the UX here. So knowing fully well that your US will have his own section, will have his own link. Do you understand? Why the UI will have his own link too? So the UI, when you are done with your prototype and you play it, so I'm going to show you when you are done with your prototype and how you play. You understand? So just wait a minute. The internet is a bit slow.
Your screen is not showing anymore.
Don't worry, it's loading, so now it has load. So now this enterprise, this SME, is because there's nothing on them. Let me go back again. This SME, let me go back. See, that's personal. On our design, there's nothing on the personal. It's empty, right? So let's go back to resources. The reason is because there's no design on it here. If you check, they are empty. Do you understand? They are empty here. So we've done design on them. You understand? Just imagine that you've done your own design, did your homework as a person to do your homework. You understand? So when you are doing the US now, it will be showing on each page. It will be showing on the page. One thing you should know is that know your transitioning. Do you understand? So when I click on this, where should it take me to? But if you have done your design and you've done your labeling very well, even though you are putting it in the wrong place, it will give you option. Where do you want it to go? Do you understand? See, look at this now. Even though I want it to be on personal and then it is on resources, it will ask me, it will give me option. Bro, this thing that you did is on resources. So if you are wrong, come here to change it. You understand? The same thing goes to anywhere. So your home page is your first design is your home page. Use your default design. Do you understand? That's your first design. So now when you are done this, instead of you going up and down, just look at this play here. Present. So it shows that okay, I've done designing, I've done the the UI, I have done the US. So what next? So let me play for people to see what I've done. When you click on play, it will take us to this same page here. So we can have our designs. Do you understand? So doing this is very simple. Knowing fully well that you must have done with your UI. Right? When you're done with your UI, then you can now start your US is the movement of it. And then the movement is very, very simple. You cannot compare the US on a mobile device and a web device. If you are doing a US for mobile device, it could be fancy. You could use any attribute. It could be on flip or screen. You understand? Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir, I hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Sorry, my system is hanging there. I'm so sorry. I don't know what's going on today, though. So that is what I would love to explain. So please, I would like to take questions at this point from people that have done their assignment to the point at which they can do their US. You understand? Because from next week, we might be doing, I'm not sure about next week though, because there's something anyway, but I'll communicate on the group chat, then I'll be sending voice notes. Understand? But if we're able to do this for some of us that we've done our assignment, and if you've not done your assignment, it's very good you can go back and do it, because this is If you have this in your portfolio, trust me, a
Hey,
lot.
Baba. Baba.
Do you understand? If you have this
Baba.
work in your portfolio, it will stand in for you. Do you understand? Because you did the design, you can do copyright, you can do app work, but your UI is with you. I'm show them, okay, I did this UI and I did the US, the navigation and the movement. There's a way you can play around with the US, right? You can play around with it in terms of you can do scrolling, you can just click on any and just look at. How do you want to be ease out, ease in? So you can see the what's it called? The dissolve comes in different functions. So let's look another effect again. Let's do smart animation. This is more like video. You can see my mouse here. It's showing us how it is smart animation. Do you understand? You can see how it's showing us. So you can see it's give you, is it moving? See, look at the way it came, moving, move out. Do you understand? So let's do another one again. Move out. You can see. Push. You can see. So you can play with it. But no, doing all this is actually nice. But you should know when it is acceptable and when it is used. I would advise us to use it on mobile device or mobile rather. It's good on mobile because people might call us or get, because it's a big screen. Do you understand? So that's that. So if you want to change from navigate, if you want to set your variables, like variable, when you press on this, it will go here, but it's more of advanced class. Your variable talks about, you'll be the one to command. It could be on, screen, it could be on, what's it called? Advanced, maybe fingerprint, and so on and so forth. Conditioner, if it is scroll, you understand? So just like your scroll is actually usable for this. Listen, you can see, if you have a long page, you have a scroll effect. Do we get? So do you get? So that's it. So there's no endless to your US. US is very broad and very vast. Please, if you have a question, because I don't think my battery and my data is doing very well. I don't know. Please, if you have a question at this point and you've done your assignment, I will know from your question. I'll actually know. Please kindly ask now so that we can know how to
Hello,
wrap and
sir.
go ahead. Pick.
Good evening, sir. So, sir, when I did my assignment, it's actually
All
not in a straight line.
okay. Okay, good.
So, how do I
Is
put it in a straight line?
It does not mean either a straight line or not a straight line. What you need to do is your end point, your starting point, your end point. Where do you want this? Like, let's quickly do that now. Okay, so for instance now, so I do not want. Let me take this. Let me take this one to. Let me take this design. Let me go back to the design. Let me quickly take this one here. Let me take it to this part here. Or let me take it to. Let me just throw it. Let's assume like it's here. So let me do the prototype. You can see, I can decide to take the prototype anywhere I want. It can go anywhere. Do you understand?
Okay.
The point is,
Yes, sir.
it should have a ending point where you want it to end. It's not about your maybe straight line, but it's good to be on a straight line so that you can easily do your navigation. Exactly.
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Another question. How did you get this arrow that keep navigating to
No,
this?
automatically, when you are on prototype, that's why I
Yeah.
say look at prototype. See this, when you are on design, it will disappear.
Yes, sir.
You are meant to design. Do you understand? So when you're on prototype, automatically it's showing, okay, you want to take it to, yeah, you understand? So when you click on any object, you can see plus sign. You can see it's asking you. So you
Yes.
just click on the plus sign, then you take it anywhere. Do you get?
Yes,
So
sir.
that's it. So any
So I have
other
a
Hello,
question.
question?
sir.
So I
Sir.
have
Okay,
a
good.
question.
Go ahead, please.
Is it a must like the normal Flutterwave page, the full page? If you want to do something like SME or personal, is it a must you must do the full page or is it possible for you to do half? I was wondering because I'm doing the full page before I put
Sorry,
the
I'm lost. Your question, I'm lost in your question, please. Come again.
like you said we should create each page and put them up or on top
Yeah.
each other. So my question
Yeah.
is that is it a must for me to do a full page, or can I just
That
make
is
it half?
that is an assignment. That is why we are doing the assignment. We did it together last week, right? So the
Yeah.
assignment is to replicate the Flutterwave website. And we've done the basics last week. That is why
Yes.
people were able to understand their UI. So
Yes.
now from UI to navigation, which is the US, I will move from one page to another. That was what we did today.
Yes.
That's what was today. So
Sir.
you just have to do the navigation.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Good
Okay.
evening.
Yeah, during the course of my assignments, like
Okay.
trying to design, I wanted to move the whole page together. Like, for example, that home page after designing everything. But I discovered that some, like, it's separated. Some parts were in the frame, while some were not in the frame. And I
Okay.
tried to do it again, like I tried to fix it again to place the what is it called? The typings and whatever in the box again. Then it's still separated again. I don't know what happened.
Okay, so let me quickly get that. Let me go to design. So for instance, I'm on under enterprise here. If you can see my arrow here, it's showing me the properties under enterprise, right? So maybe I'm done, and then do you understand? And then maybe one of my text is under SME. So and then the SME is meant to be under enterprise. So if I'm done and I want to carry it, the one that is under SME will not be there. It will be under the one that is meant to be under enterprise will not be under SME. You understand? So the
Okay.
best thing you could
Yes.
just right click and group section. So when you group
Okay,
it,
sir.
you cannot have it as one.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand? When you go now, so that when you are moving it, you move everything as a family.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So please, can you explain the double action? Just that double action, how it's going to work?
You mean this
The
part?
double, yeah, the one that you said for double action. Yes,
This one?
yes.
Okay,
Like
it's
I
good.
think
Let's quickly go there now. So the first thing is we did design for each of those pages. We did the home page first. Do you understand? We did the home page, here. Then we now did the page for enterprise itself, the enterprise page itself. That's one. Then we now did another page for this payment solution, which is one up, the one that we carry to this other part here. This one here, So we now did another one for the last one down, which is growth your. So we now did it down. This is here, down. So when you are on your own page and you click enterprise, it take you to the main enterprise. So when you now click on this enterprise, it will now open this box. Do you understand? So when you now click on this business, this one here, it will take you to what is it called? It will take you to the next page that I brought here. Do you understand? So when we are done there, so when we now click on this down one here, it will now take you to this one here. That is how we get this. So the first thing is we created the home page first. We created this home page. You can see there's nothing here. This home page. So when you now click on this home page, when you click on under home page, you have enterprise. You can see it shows for enterprise. The reason why you not see the effect here is because we just duplicate this, which is access to online. We'll just duplicate it. So when you click on this, it will come here. When you click on this too, you see. Do you understand? I think we actually did this. We actually did what's it called here? This one here. So maybe if you have the right what's it called? If you have the right icon, you can come and download the right icon. So you are blessed. So it's just that for the course of the class, because we don't want the class to be lengthy, we just have to teach you the right thing to know so that you can go home and do your best and bring it out. Do you understand? But this is the basic thing that you need to know without breaking, going to heaven above. The understanding section is what's very key in the sense that this is how to go about it, even though you are not in class. But the basic point is you have the basic understanding, even at home, so that you can be able to navigate your way around the design.
I have a question.
Okay, good for line.
I have a question. Can I go ahead?
Go ahead, please.
Okay. In a situation whereby you want to like design a UI for a website like Flutterwave that you have, for every link that you have there, you have to do a UI for everything. Now, when
Yes.
you want to do the UX, and I think you were mentioning last week that in order for our work to to be okay, that we might open a new design page for each and everything. But when we want to
Okay.
connect the UX, is it advisable we have all the UI design in a single page so that we can
Yes.
easily
Yeah,
navigate that?
exactly. Yeah, it's advisable. Yes. The reason why I say you should do it like that so that you won't be confused. I think I saw some assignments, and I was impressed. People did it in a one page, and it's very it takes diligence. So the reason why I did that was the reason I said that was because so that you won't get confused and you won't get tired. So I didn't mean you did it in a separate, you did it in a separate you just in a separate draft. You just come and copy and paste, copy and paste. You understand? It could be copy and paste for you, just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. So that you won't start to be looking for design up and down. But based on what I saw, I thought that people were able to do the assignment on one page, and it's fantastic. So I actually need to give accolade to that. So that's why I went straight to the US this evening. Yeah. So another question, please.
Yeah, please, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Okay, so when you were showing the prototype that has something like a laptop screen, by the two sides, like ash color is showing, why does it have an ash background?
Why what?
Why does it have an ash background, like ash color showing by the two sides?
By where?
By the two sides, yeah, those two sides, like the
This
laptop
this
screen.
side.
Yes, sir, those ash color. Those
And that's
two
that's the default design now. This is your main design.
yes,
Do you
sir.
understand? This is your main design here. So Figma help you do a laptop so that your design will fit in. Your design will fit inside that. This is a laptop view. It's giving you your laptop view from here to this. You can see the laptop curve. So that's just their default design.
So those ash colors, there's Figma that made it like that.
Yeah, sure. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yeah.
Another question, please.
Sir, please, the deadline for submission of all the assignments.
See, bro, there's no deadline. There's a point at which I'll ask for assignment, then the assignment will stand in as your report. Do you understand? If you do this class diligently, you're not doing it, but you're doing it for yourself. Because if you have this on your portfolio that you did this, is a lot of designers who might not be able to do this. But if you are able to design it and do your US effectively, bro, even without getting certificate, you can say that you should do it yourself. You'll be proud of yourself, and it can give you eye opening to do different design yourself. Do you
Sir, please
understand?
can you like do your double action for it to also scroll down?
Double what?
Like when you're doing double action and you want to connect this page to another page, but the other page you're connecting, can you make it scroll down to the last page too?
Okay, do you mean this? I'm coming. Let me go back. You mean this?
Yeah, then I can scroll down. Yes.
Because now it is what we designed that will show now. If don't forget that design has through everything has long listing. It is what you have there that will show you. It's what you designed that will show you here.
Oh,
This is just like an interpretation of what you have in your design. You understand? There's no
Quick one, bro.
okay, good.
Can you hear me?
Go ahead, please.
Okay, yeah. Regarding the question the other guy was asking about the ash color.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he was referring to this thing you use to align the text and the pictures so as for you not to fall out. So everything will be in a straight line.
Take this part. I was thinking it
Yes.
was talking here. Oh,
Yeah, this
for
is
this
exactly
one
what I'm
or
thinking
this
about.
black one?
No, this ash color one.
No, no, no,
Yes.
oh, no, 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 no. It was because of our see, we did alignment. I didn't mean you're in the first class. You can see there's a shape here. We are the one that created put it there just to form because it's a new class. So we did a just like grid so that our design will not fall out. So that it will be on the straight line. If I take this thing out now, I'll take this one out now. If you go back, come to your US, you won't see it there. Do you understand? Yes, so that's it. I was
So I
thinking
have a question.
please let's go fast. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Clarity. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, please, I'm lost. I'm lost. The place you asked us to, like this enterprise, SME, personal, and others. So I don't understand how you place all those things under it, like these payment solutions, and is it that in each page there you put the pictures there, and I don't understand it.
So have you done your design?
I'm still on it.
So the first thing you need to do is you have to be done with your design. And when you're done with your design, and every of the pages are drew out. If you check here now, let me minimize this. If you check this place now, you see this enterprise here. If you look at, I'm coming 1 minute. If you look at it, this is on what? Payment solution. So when you click on payment solution to bring this, let's go to the next one. The next one has, where is this other one? So if you click on this one now, this one here, if you click on this one is on grow your business. So you must have drawn, you must have done the design already.
Okay.
Do you understand? So when I click on payment solution, it takes me to the other one. If I click on grow your, it takes me to bring me down here. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that's it. It has to be designed separately. You understand? When you click on this one, you can see the action button here is on this other one here. Why the other one is at, let me even take it back so that I won't be dragging my mouse to and fro. So let me take it back here. Do you understand? So that's how it works.
Yeah.
So all your design has to be complete first before your US, so that
Okay.
it will be easy for you.
Okay.
Check this out. This is under grow your business, and why this one is under the, you understand? This one is up and that one is down. So that's how it is. You have to design them first before you can make them work actively.
Okay.
Tolu,
Thank you.
can you ask a question?
Yes, I wanted to ask, how is it possible to publish something like this?
How do I what?
How is it possible to publish something like this when you're about done?
See, you can see share prototype, share. You send you a link to somebody. So your assignment just come to share, copy and send to me so that I can view what you've done. So as simple as that. Just share, copy the link and share to somebody. Just like the way we did in our design. Do you understand? So that's how it is. There's no big deal about that. So next week, I don't know my activity next week. We have programming. We have a program that I need to attend to. So I'm going to look at what we're able to do this week. I don't know, maybe if I'm not sure I'll be available by 6 p.m. But if we can do it before 6, maybe we can have our class by 4 or something, but I'm not sure. I'll sit up to the organizer. But if we agree as a body that we should do it before 6 o'clock, then I can quickly do it before this is. But because I'm not sure about my activities next week. But I want us to do this. Please, if you've not done your assignment to this what's it called, to this Flutter Wave, it's going to be, I'm advising us to let's do it, please. Because this thing you're doing it for yourself, you're not doing it for anybody. If you know it for yourself, please. Do you understand? So that's it. So let us work on this and let us do our UX.
Sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Right.
When you click that place, I can find your mouse. It's showing enterprise. Yeah, there. Yeah. How did you put that in there? How did you put that
The typing.
subhead in there? That
I will just double click and type now. Double click and type.
Oh.
That's it.
Okay, so that's how we should label all the work, so we'll be able to connect it.
Exactly. That's why that means you're not in the first in the last 2 class that we did about the design.
No, I wasn't last week class.
Yeah, that's why. We've done all those ones to pass, please. But that's how to label so that it will give you sense. Okay, this is what I'm doing here. This is what I'm doing. This is what I'm connecting next. So even your indicator self can know. You can see your indicator is telling you that where do you want it to go. It's telling you.
Yeah.
See, because you've labeled it very well. See, it's enterprise business. It's what to label everything.
Okay, sir. Could you please just do small revision on how I should put it there for my?
Revision on what?
I mean, how I can label my.
You just double click it twice. It will show you can double click.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sir. I'm trying to work on my battery. I think I have a few percent, very little percent. So let's be fast, please, so that my system won't die.
Okay, sir. So I wanted to ask about the portfolio. So how does a UI UX designer publish their portfolio, and what platform is it on the website?
That will be at the end of the section, not now, please. So I believe that by next week you should be done with this UX. You understand? So send me your assignments so I can do them, please. So then I'll now talk about doing an app, proper app.
So
because there's
UI UX is for apps. Can't it be used for website also?
Okay.
I said, can't it be used for websites also?
What was that?
UI UX.
This Flutter Wave, is it an app or a website?
Website.
So why are you asking the question again?
Sir, please, this assignment you are talking about, is it the one that you asked us to stop at the SME?
I don't say she stop at it. I say she do everything.
Away.
I don't say she do it. I say everything.
Okay, sir.
And navigate.
Sir, please, can you only design a full website only using UI UX, no coding?
No. You have to.
Okay,
Sorry, please. Your design enable your developer know what he or she is doing.
So you have to use coding to finish everything.
Yeah, so look at this section. There's this section here that you can use to enable your code. You see dev mode. So you can. So if I want to get this code now, so I'll get the code. You understand of this design. See, it's showing me so it's giving me you can see this is the code now. Let me click on anyone here. It will give me the code here. So you can see this is the code. So you can copy the code and paste it on your Jumia, on your what's it called, on your Ideal. You understand? But as a UI person, it's good to have this knowledge, but it's more for the advanced. So anything I'm clicking, if I click on this, you see the code here. You show me the parameter, blah blah blah. Well, you understand? So anything, look at the development. You can see it's showing you to color code, everything. But for now, let us off it so that I will not be. Do you understand?
CSS.
It's showing us both the CSS, the HTML. So then when you go to the action is now the prototype will now be the Java, the action Java activation stuff that you want on it. Sure you get.
Yes, sir.
So that's it. But with this, you can okay, I'll have, because without the design, what does the developer want to develop? So they need you before they can develop. You understand?
Yes, sir.
They need you. Without you, they might not be able to do a functionable, because you are the brain of the idea. You know how we want it to be. Even though the developer design what we say, no, this is not what I sent to you. Look at the design I sent to you, and look at the US, look at the movements. You understand? Make sure it is on this part.
Please, I need help.
Help on what?
Hello, sir.
Now go ahead on what?
My question is, arranging this thing. I have difficulties in arranging this thing. Like, if I create another slide, another screen, how do I arrange it?
What do you mean arrange?
Correctly.
Wait, for instance, let's quickly use this one, for example, for my system go off. So let me say I want to duplicate this one now. Like I'll click on the name, Control D, right? It duplicates. So what do I want to change? What do I want to I'll duplicate what I want. So this is what I want. So what do you want to rearrange again? If you want to change it, just highlight them and change.
And so if you want to, like now, you want to design this SMS and you want to add it to the screen, to this screen now, what do you do?
Take what you don't have, take what you don't need here, take it out. What you want to add it. Just put it by the side. Make sure your label is correct. Maybe this one is enterprise, grow your business, B. Just maybe you put this B or B1 or B1. You understand? So when you are doing your US, so let's as you want to do US now from the let's do the prototype now. Let's, for example, now US now, USB, it should take us to see, it's telling us you are under USB. You understand? Do you understand? That's how it is. Just make sure your labeling is correct. So it should take you to where you want. Do you get? So let's change it so that it will be easy for us, so that you know that we've done the correct thing. Let's change it to maybe ABCD, so that you know that we did something right. So now let's go back to our US now. So now let's check now. See, take you to our ABD. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
That's it. So there's no big deal. There's nothing hard about that, please.
So we must create another page. You copy and paste, then continue from up.
You design what? See, if you check the Flutterwave website very well, if you go to the enterprise,
yes, sir,
they see how everything is still there. See.
Okay.
If you go to SME, everything still remain. Right? If you go to personal, everything still remain. Or it's until when you now click on the action button, like, let me go to online checking now. Do you understand? So then that will not have another entirety of the online checking
page. Okay, I get it now. So, sir, we're not creating this page again. This when you click click on this,
we'll just be duplicating, and this is functionality that this thing that you're showing. That's what you need to create.
Okay. I get it. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, please. I would like to end because of my battery for now, so that I have 5 minutes and it's very bad. So that I would love to end the the class now. Please let us work on this. Let's do this thing though. It's going to help us. That's key. I know it's going to help. Oh, jeez, this battery is low. Hello?
Hello, sir. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, okay, so
thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the class. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I believe you guys learned something. So please, let's do our assignment. Hopefully, if you cannot meet on
Thank
this,
you, sir.
we'll keep talking on the
Thank you,
group
sir.
class. Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.